Hey, welcome back to today's vlog. We got a new project for you guys. Stay tuned for the build. We're about to go to Patara's house and, you know, start on this new build. You guys will see like very shortly. For me, it's like, what, 15 minutes? For you guys, it's like a second. Right now.
You're hyped.
I am super hyped.
You're hyped, huh?
I am super hyped.
Let's get it going.
I try to make you my queen. Burgers and diamonds are cheap. Girl, that ain't nothing to me. You were the one that was sweet.
Yes, sir. Sponsor me. Deer Park water, but this ain't Deer Park because I'm broke.
What's good, vlog?
What are we doing today?
We about to strip the interior, clean it out of the brand new E36.
Good drift car. Oh, no hood prop.
Pat already tapped a wall. Already went drifting in it. Good E36.
Right.
Hood struts went bye-bye.
It's just nowhere to be seen.
Hood struts left the chat.
Oh, there we go. So we're about to, you see this before? How dirty it is? After. It's like toothbrush. Good toothbrush. Wait. Oh yeah, good toothbrush. This is you, Mace?
Yeah.
You. Brushing the teeth.
This is our morning routine.
Yeah, you brush your teeth, you brush your edges. Yeah, mouthwash.
This is gonna be the drift build, right?
Yeah.
If Pat doesn't sell it before then.
If I don't sell it, but if anybody wants it, come buy it.
So we're gonna try to turn this thing into a little drift missile. We're gonna take it to some spirit.jp events down in Richmond. If you haven't seen those before, go check them out on Instagram. I think you can put in spirit.jp and it will come up. And then if you can go. It's a fun time.
Make sure you undo your spark plug to get the inside of the engine too.
Yeah, right?
Yeah.
So you always have cold engine.
Yeah. Water cooled.
Don't listen to Brendan, guys. Don't do that.
Remember, guys, you have to water your engine at least once a week, and it'll grow.
Horsepower.
You get more horsepower if you do this.
But this car needs extra water because it's very slow. Man, not too much. It's gonna die.
It's okay, you can do all of it.
Yeah. Good build. Good build.
Brandon's airlift's broken.
Yes.
Did you fix it?
Nope.
Oh. Rip.
Need to check my connection.
Good guts. You see that right there? It's like a bird's nest in there.
You. Yeah, you definitely had something living in this car.
Yeah. So we're just gonna take out the back half. Oh, I broke it. I broke another thing, guys. Oh, wire. Give me the knife. I'll just cut this in half.
Yuck.
That's tough. I think I broke the clip on this one.
Yeah, I did.
You have the clip too?
It's windy. How's it going over here?
It's going.
X-band, K-band, Ka-band, laser, GPS connected.
I fixed it.
Hey!
Hey!
That was weird.
I don't know what I did, but I fixed it.
That was super weird. It would like short itself out. So car would turn on, it would go to this screen, and then it would just turn off. But somehow, you just play with some wires back there.
Yep.
Literally play with some
Play
wires.
with some wires.
Good airlift.
Okay, so it's not due to airlift, it's due to the installation. Whoever installed it is
Good, Brandon.
such a little, you know, loser because he doesn't know what to do. Yeah, I installed it, so.
And put the seat back in.
Well, these need to come out too, right?
Yeah, these.
Actually, there's no rust there.
Yeah, there's no rust.
Okay.
Imagine there's a hole.
Just a big rust hole.
What you got there, Mace? Yo, new wheel?
New wheel.
Momo?
Momo.
Ooh.
Yes, sir.
So Pat's currently unyucking the interior of the car.
Oh my god, that's a spider!
Woo! Kill it with air. Woo! Ah. And yeah, I fixed my airlift. I just played with some wires. I unplugged some things and then I blew on them and then I plugged it back in and it works.
Yes, sir. That's how we fix cars around here.
Yeah, you just blow at it and it works.
Always gotta blow shit. Whatever you need to do, just blow it.
Yes.
You. What?
What was that? A pen? Yeah, delete the seatbelts.
Oh my god. Do I leave it? Do I just make it black? I'll just make it black. Make it clean.
This lifts up. Yeah. Easy fuel pump access.
It's kind of nice though. Just
Is your dad judging you yet?
nope, he's supporting it.
He's helping.
Ew. God damn.
Yeah.
Need some vacuum.
How does
Turn it on.
Maxi say that? Dog, what the fuck is all this?
What?
That's
I
your
gotta-
interior, bro.
I gotta put all of this back in.
Nah, fuck it.
What am I gonna sit on a bucket?
That's cool.
Oh shit.
Oh shit. What the fuck?
So Brandon had to run home, bring his sister's car to go get tinted. We are scrubbing the interior parts right now.
We are scrubbing the life away right now. Like, these about to look like him.
We're scrubbing the
Five.
we're scrubbing the 90s, the 2000s, right
Oh
out of
my
this car.
Came out of BMW.
So yeah, we're gonna scrub the parts, get the dash put together in the car. We're not putting the carpets back in or anything, cause drift car. And then yeah, I think we're gonna wrap everything up.
We're about to get some roadside assistance.
Thank you for calling BMW Roadside Assistance.
What?
Para servicio en español.
Thank you. Alright, so now we're about to head out to the meet. But first, I gotta fill up the tires. Make sure the tire pressure is okay. Let's start the whip. Oh my god. This car, this is my 335i. Good dash lights. Sight. Yeah, so we're about to, I'm about to fill up these tires, and then we're waiting for Steven to pull up, and then we got Mikey here and Garvin. So almost a hit, but that, then we're gonna fill up the tires, and then we're about to head out to the meet. Good mobs. Guess we'll catch y'all when we head out.
All right, guys, we are at Brandon's. We got everyone together. What? Me, you, Steven, Pat, Mikey.
Fire!
They're having
Fire.
a fire over there.
Fire! Hey, make it bigger!
But yeah, so we are gonna head to a little car meet that is at one of the parking rides in Catonsville. Right now, we're gonna be putting on Pat's banner real quick before we leave for the meet. And then we'll be headed there. So you guys will be there in a second, like that.
That's what I just did earlier. I did the same thing earlier.
Shit.
Why you try to copy me?
We're there. We're at the meet.
Alright guys, we made it to the meet. Pat got a little ending message for you.
Oh my god, I'm on the vlog. I feel so cool.
We'll put your tag down in the corner.
Man, tag going right here.
Yes,
but
sir.
you know, we pulled up to the meet.
Yes,
All the
sir.
cars over there. This joint is wild. Do you think this is paint?
Paint.
Paint for sure.
Yeah.
Yo, Mikey, this shit's way better than your G, bro.
Alright, y'all, we out here at the Battle Gang meet, but I guess it's the end to today's vlog. Like, comment, and subscribe. Watch out for the next video.